All right, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Say Maths Academy. Now we are still on a series called Surds. Now we want to talk about rationalization of surds. Rationalize the denominator. Let's start with the first question. We have 1 all over root 3. How do we rationalize? When you see a case like this, you do it this way. This implies that, now watch, rationalization means here you should use the denominator to what? As a, you should use the denominator to what? As a conjugate. What is mean conjugate? Use the denominator to multiply both the numerator and the denominator. What I'm simply means is that 1 over root 3 times root 3 over root 3. That is, use the denominator to multiply the up, use the denominator again to multiply the down. So this will give us, this implies that 1 times root 3 will give us root 3, all divided by root 3 times root 3. In our previous video, I said when the roots are the same, you pick what is inside, and this is your final answer. B part of it, you use the same format. You have root 5 over root 2. Which of them are we rationalizing? We are rationalizing the denominator. Therefore, this implies that I'm going to use the denominator to multiply both the denominator and the numerator. Root 2 times root 2. Yes. Yeah, now you see what I did? You are still correct. Okay? Now, this times this is equal to this times this will give us, remember, I said when you have a multiplication sign, like the previous ones we saw, just multiply it straight, even if the roots are not the same. Multiplication doesn't have any problem. Remember our rules. Multiplication doesn't have problem. So 2 times 5 will give us root what? Root 10. All divided by 2 root 2 will give us 2. And this is our final answer. So the main thing here, rationalization is all about using its conjugate, using the conjugate with the denominator to multiply both the numerator and the denominator. And whenever you multiply it, you observe that the roots will now come, they will look alike, like this one now, 3 root 3. When they multiply, anytime these two same roots are multiplying, pick the roots, pick what is inside. That's how I got this. The same procedure here. So this is how we rationalize a we rationalize the denominator in a surd question. So this is where we end the video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and drop your comment below. Thank you very much.